Every Toyota begins with raw industrial materials. Precision starts long before the first bolt is tightened. Inside the factory, a controlled world takes over.
Raw steel is shaped with exact force.
Every panel must be flawless. Human skill guides machine strength.
Frames take shape under controlled heat.
Structure defines safety.
Every joint is checked by trained eyes.
Clean surfaces ensure lasting quality.
Protection begins beneath the color.
Color gives identity. Heat locks in durability. Power is built piece by piece. Body and heart become one. Comfort meets craftsmanship. Modern vehicles rely on hidden intelligence. Transparency demands precision. Balance ensures control. Life flows through every system.
The first heartbeat.
Safety is measured, not assumed. Sealed against the elements. Approval is earned. Perfection is refined.
Quality is verified scientifically.
The journey nears completion.
Awaiting delivery.
Logistics complete the cycle.
Prepared for the road. Stuntet Steniensvengen videre til Ytri. Niklins with them das Martu and was tar teams for muster.
Distribution begins.
Craftsmanship leaves with every vehicle.
From steel to street. An American factory with global impact.
And this is how modern factories produce Toyota cars from start to finish.